Yeah, YouTube, there again. Just a look on some things. The video want some feedback on the video. Quick video. Alright, I'm showing you what really are going. But we want some feedback on what me do. See? Check it out. Over there, so the 4-pin new trick then come off our sound. And we are put on this 8-pin new trick. You see me? I take out one out of this plate. Just for measure up that plate there. To see if I can put 4 in that plate there. See the 8-pin there? The silver piece here come off of it. And the silver piece there, basically, see the notch them, the big one, always go up top, the easier so. And look one go down the bottom. The silver piece over the new trick, make it so that's the plastic piece, because if I did the plastic to plastic, like when you're pushing the big piece, when you put that in, plastic to plastic all the time, the friction would have rub off, right there so. Friction would have rub off up there so. Then two look apart there. Would have rub them off easier. And the new trick would have turned sometime maybe by itself. That's why them put this metal piece over the new trick. Because some of them not come with the metal panny. But that is that. So I take out this one now out of that plate there to do some measurement. Because originally when we done build the sound, it a go be 2 wall full stereo left and right. But me now go just put 2 8-pin new trick in the plate. I want to put 4 just in case. So I put 2 here so. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? So I go board all them tonight and prep the plate. And I go do some video for the channel of maybe when me do the soldering them and the color coding them. Cause me order some heat shrink in a color, but me not get them yet. That's why me not upload, or that's why me not do nothing. Me not upload this video until see the 8 code them. Me not upload the video until me get the heat shrink so me can show you when me a color code. Color code simple still, so enough man must know that. You understand? Color code is basically how you just personalization. Everybody, it depends on what you use for, what color you use for do whatever. You must know what color you use to play bass, what color you use to play Twitter. So when you come, you do that on the inside of the sound, and when you come on the outside, you know say you follow up what you do on the inside. Simple. Alright, watch you now. This is the question. I want some feedback on it. Me start prep the 8-pin new trick. Wipe off the camera. Me start prep the 8-pin new trick them. camera look better. And you know me, what you would call it now? Baby mother call it Fandango's bag. Pay Fandangos, she said in her bag. My son say a Karachi's bag. Sound man life. Alright. In the bag, I find this speaker terminal. That ends there. Seeing? My question is, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? Install all of the ends here on the wire them. Install all of the ends them on the wire them. And just push them on the new trick. What do you think about it? Because in all honesty, once you push them on the new trick and mount the plate in the amp rack, boy, who would have go in there to draw them off? You understand what I say? Them one of them on the inside of the amp rack. Who would have go in there to draw them off? To be honest, me don't know what would have gone for take off them. Because right now, watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. You see what I say? So, for that come back, for that come off for the new trick, for anyone at the wire then come off for the new trick, something would have really have to hold it and pull it off for the new trick. You know what I mean? If me install a speaker terminal here upon the new trick or upon the wire them, if you put it upon the new trick, see there? See me push it on upon it there. And this time I push it on all the way down there. The first time it never there all the way down. See there? It go sit down all the way down on the plastic. See? Don't feel no way about how close it there to the other terminal. Because ta-da! You see that? It shrink. So when you install this now, when you crimp on them upon the wire them, you just go so boom. You see me? One hand me I use. You just go so boom and slide on that E-shrink there. Hold on. Cause it can't happen, you know. See it here? See it here? 2-1. Ta-da! You slide on the E-shrink right down there. And cover up all of that. See? So at no time, let me see if we can find one next speaker. See one here? I'm going to put this one right there, so. Right there, so. Hold on, the camera kind of bend and squeeze the first one before I put it on. Make one little bend panny. So you put that on now, see him there? He go right down there, go sit down. See that there? Right down there, go sit down, you know. Most man, and me do it too, me bend back the exterior ends them just a little bit, like that. You see me? Me bend them back when me I do new trick. Just a little bit. No, but I bend them too far, because if you bend them 2 and 3 times, you know what I mean, you do nothing wrong and you have to carry it and you bend them 2 and 3 times, them will broke. So, you bend that one there, and you put on that one there like so. See it there? Fair enough space that. Be honest, talk it out. See it there? And then now, and then watch it again. You slide on the new trick down this also. You see it? And you continue. Alright. This is the question. Who think it can work? Because to be honest with you, me think it can work. See a couple of speakers wire fandangles them there. Me always having a fandangles bag. Come do a whole pack install sometime. So see the mats here? See the mats here, you know? So all of them wire there. Put this down there, so look there. You know they nowhere close to touch. See? So see 8 core there. And if me install, if me crimp on one of these, look there. Look which part, look there. Focus now camera. If me install that heat shrink pan the cable them and go so boom 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 pan the 8 core. I want to know feedback pan it. I want some feedback. What you think? What would be the goods and what would be the bads about it? Because I can fairly say, in my perspective, one of the good things would be that you could have pulled them off at any time and put them on back easier than you could if you did solder them on. Don't get me wrong, me not afraid for solder them on. Me a pro when it comes to soldering. You understand? So my cleanest solder you ever see. Electrical installation, I study at school. But I want to know feedback on that one. You know what I mean? I'm going to upload that one right now. Tell me what you think. Because me think the good about it is that at any point you would be able to do this. See? That's what me think. You would be able to can do that. And throw off the wire them. See? That's the good. The bad body, as I'm thinking, maybe me no want to find the bad. And then maybe the truth is me just can't find it right now. Because me no see nothing bad about it. Me no see nothing bad about it, you know. Good thing about it are the shorter ends them kind of new trick me have, because you have the one them with taller them. Let me go for the microscopic. Instead of being distal from this to this, them about distal, so it give you more space for work your solder gun and make termination cleaner. Seeing? But in all honesty, the bad when we can think about doing this would only be if you say the wire them would have draft. And if you do it, if me do it this away, heat shrink and I mean crimp on the speaker terminal. Cause me I think as me I talk, you know. Crimp on the speaker terminal them on the wire ends them. And each shrink them so them have on some insulation. That's one can go so. And the next one you not have to worry about say him a go touch the other one. Because even if they never have on the E-shrink, you know, them still will not touch. You understand what I say? The difference when you solder it, you have to run the solder upon the outside of the terminal them. You have to run the solder round here so. And that me try to do. Me not try to run the solder round here so. Cause doing that you put too much round here so if you get close to this terminal. So me left all of the inside clean. Me not run the solder upon the inside. Me run the solder upon the outside. And then me gently bend them back. That's all the bend me put on them. Run the solder upon the outside of them. Then me run the solder upon the inside of this one. Cause them one are further away from each other. Them four there. Me run the solder upon the inside of them. And then me gently push them back to where you see that one over there. So everybody have ample space. You understand? But me come across the speaker terminal tonight. And me think them can work. Not that me think them can work. Me know them can work. You understand? But maybe because me I think say them a go draft. Maybe that's why me not do it. Or that's why me not just go ahead and do it yet. You know what I mean? Because with the soldering, you know, say it's a fixed thing. It not move. But give me phone or feedback now upon it. And make me hear what I say. See? Yeah, man. So, man. Wanna give me no feedback. And make me hear what I have to say. Because that one, you know, because as you say, I eat one, teach one. So, give me no feedback on this. And make me hear what I go on. Because me think it can work. Maybe that's just me, true me want it to work. It can work, you know. But me probably not think about the negative side. Just because me want it to work. See if you don't understand what I say. So give me some feedback. I say, give me some feedback. See 4 pin new trick plate over there so. And this is how I go in. Me really want to put in 4 8-pin in it. I don't want to put in 2. I want to put in 4. Just in case any little ray I decide. I want to make the sound optional. You understand what I say? Suppose you have one column where you want to split in 2 those. See? Yeah. You come so booms and split the column. What you going to do? Jump from the box them to the next dose. Now man, you want to come out of one next 8-pin new trick. So I put 4 8-pin new trick in it. You know what I mean? The whole thing is, alright, you go find say I still left and right. So I jump off a one new trick to one, jump off a left new trick, the 2 left new trick jump off a 1 to 1, and the 2 right new trick jump off a 1 to 1. So just 2 channel. The only difference is a 4, basically a 2 wide jack you put around there. You understand what I say? Follow me? Everybody follow me. But give me no feedback. Yeah man, out. Give me no feedback.